So, good evening. This evening, I will be talking about whether ASIC regulating crypto assets is necessary or a beneficial action, specifically referencing an article released by them earlier this year talking about how they've updated assistance in helping companies conform to regulations set out in the Corporations Act if they're planning on dealing in crypto assets or ICOs. Crypto assets as financial products. By law, you are obliged to hold an Australian Financial Services Licence or AFS if you are issuing crypto assets that fall under the definition of a financial product. According to the Corporations Act, Section 763A, a financial product is a facility through which, or through the acquisition of which, a person does one or more of the following: makes a financial investment, manages financial risk, makes non-cash payments. Since crypto assets and ICOs meet all three of this criteria, by definition, crypto assets are to be regulated just as any other financial product is under the Corporations Act of 2001. So the requirements of a financial product, including crypto assets, ICOs, given the obligation for crypto assets to be treated the same as any other financial product requiring an AFS, there are requirements that must be met to protect stakeholders. The provider must act in the best interests of the client. Corporations Act Section 761B. Section 601FC outlines the duties of a responsible entity acting, protecting consumers. The Compulsory Product Disclosure Statement, or as we commonly know it, PDS, for Section 1013C. So these are just a few of the many requirements that an ICO or a crypto asset must follow. And so all of these are to help protect consumers/investors. Crypto asset misconduct within Australia. So according to the Australian Consumer and Competition Commission, ACCC, there was a 190% increase in cryptocurrency scams in 2018. Australian consumers lost $6.1 million compared to the $2.1 million in 2017. A total of 2.6 million out of this 6.1 were lost to investment scams, including ICOs. In March this year, Stefanos Papanastasiou was taken to court by his clients after he scammed them of $20 million. So just two examples there of the extent of cryptocurrency fraud and misconduct within Australia, proving that, yes, it is necessary for there to be some kind of regulation to protect investors. So in conclusion, given the definition of a financial product and the requirements outlined in the Corporations Act, it is necessary for crypto assets to be regulated just as any other financial product would be. These requirements, they aim to protect the interests of all stakeholders, but specifically investors, justifying why regulation from ASIC is also beneficial. Finally, the growing presence of crypto asset fraud proves there is an ongoing necessity there to be some regulation from ASIC in the sector of crypto assets. Thank you very much.